All right, guys, welcome back to another video with the bit blonde, the craziest blonde. Well, not so blonde, the craziest blonde in a word about crypto. But today, I'm just going to give you an outlook what I personally think. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Before we get into any content, I'm not a financial advisor, so you must do your own market research. But I will give you definitely a outlook in what I think it could potentially play out in the crypto space. Now, let me just change the screen. Yeah. So before we get into the price, let's just have a look on a coin market cap and I will tell you what I think. I think so far we're doing really, really good and people do really panic. And remember, Bitcoin, it's still at the top. Okay. We literally at 100, 102 right now. So people do um panic for any movement. Okay, we got massive liquidity at the moment. We got institution, we got corporations, we got political things inside our industry, and we need to get used to huge movements, right? So even a pump or even a dump, we need to get used to those movements. As Bitcoin, it is inevitable to overtake the entire world, is already happening, and it's your choice, not financial advice. It's your choice what you do with your life. But the way the economy is going, the way everything is playing out, you need to consider what you are going to do. Okay. And having Bitcoin, it is literally the best thing. And now I'm not really recording that much because I'm planning multiple things for this channel as well. That's not the only thing I do. I do trade every day, mostly kind of swing trade. It really depends on the market. Everything depends on the market, but I'm more of a trend line trader. However you want to say, I just go with the trend and long term heavily. I will do anything I can to accumulate Bitcoin and Ethereum. But yeah, the total cryptocurrency price by market cap today, it's 3.53 trillion. Okay, so we need to get used to huge movements. It's a lot of meme coins, a lot of things going on. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do some research. Of course, you need to do your own research, but let me know if you want to see some videos about some memes, because I think like even me being very active on a space, I can't just follow with all the meme coins because they literally coming up every day. Okay, so moving back to BTC, we had a massive drop, but remember, we're still on the uptrend. And I can see from the 200 period EMA. So if you go to the daily, obviously, we got the correction to be made if you go to the daily, but we could just retest again because the way the market it's structured at the moment, we could just retest new highs. Okay, so it's both scenarios to look at, and we're not formed with the curve yet, so that make me feel a little bit uncertain. I mean, not sure about if we're going back to the 200 EMA, which is 73,540 on a daily. Okay, if we had a curve formed here, I would be like, okay, we're definitely going down. But even if we do, which is also a probability, don't panic, okay? We just have a lot of money, a lot of liquidity, a lot of things going on. So we need to get used to big movements, all right? And going back to the 4 hourly time frame, it's definitely a bullish sign. And the 200 EMA is beautifully pointing to the upside, and the 4 hourly time frame on the other side is also crossing bullish. Okay, so I think we could potentially go to 110, 108, and continues to go up, because I think in the overall situation today, we're literally entering the second wave of the bull market, and it's just crazy what is happening in crypto right now. I'm not gonna go through Ethereum because I'm not trading Ethereum. I'm trading Bitcoin at the moment and Fet AI. Which Bitcoin, it's like if you have less money, I wouldn't actually trade Bitcoin because it's like um, the potential gain in other coins could be higher. Okay, but if you want to play safe, obviously you go to Bitcoin and Ethereum because they are very correlated and they are pretty clear, right? So moving to Fet AI, I just literally have a new long position on Fet, and I'm very strong on this project. They are based in artificial intelligence. So if you want to go to Fet AI and do your own research and read the white paper, read everything they're doing on the market, I definitely advise you to go and do your research. But coming into the price movement, the price action, it is definitely a buying signal on my perspective. Now, we could potentially go to 180 on the next coming hours, let's say the next day or two, and then potentially flip the previous top. And I made a beautiful long position here. Obviously, I moved my stop loss. And if you are on my Telegram channel, you probably know that because I'm constantly, not constantly, but yeah, more or less, I always tell guys I'm longing and this is my stop. Sometimes I'm very open and I tell people I don't have a stop loss yet. So yeah, it really depends on the market too. And everybody has their own strategy. As long as you find something that truly works for you, you're fine. But I do believe that Fed it's going to go up. So here on the arrow side, we're crossing into the bullish sign as well. So 180 would be the next one. And obviously you can just move your stop loss around 159 as soon as we touch 180. Okay, I'm not telling you to do that before we get in there, right? It's impossible. But yeah, guys, I would like to leave the video today with the opportunity. I think Fet AI is just gonna go crazy on the next coming days, and anything related to AI, it's very, very hot inside the market at the moment. So guys, it's wild. Okay, it's wild. So find something that works for you. I could go and have 10 positions at the moment, but it's just like I want one thing or two that work well, like Bitcoin and another altcoin, and that's it. You don't need to catch every single move. As I always say, you don't have to catch it. And don't panic, don't get crazy. Just find one position that works for you, enter, exit, as long as you manage to have some profit. That's it. You don't need to be crazy about it. It's a lot of excitement. If you go to Twitter, or those platforms where the crypto community is really hype, you don't need to be crazy, really. Just find one or two positions that work for you and go for it. But Bitcoin, we all know it's going to do crazy shit. Okay. See you guys on the next one. Thank you.